when you start edging and you're coming to this point of turn on, you will notice that when you edge and when you touch yourself, you will use your hands, right? And when you use your hands, the challenge is, when you can feel yourself, you just bring your awareness to the hands, but when you get sensually and sexually aroused, where is it switching over from the sensation in your hands to your body, and can you feel the difference in your hands and in your body when you touch yourself, specifically when you touch your genitals? So that you actually, when you edge, you are the master of your body. Nobody can foresee, guess what touch you need at the moment, because that's always different. So the way how you want to be touched is just the way how you want to be touched, and nobody else can is clairvoyance, can lip read your energies. Even there are neurological feedback loops and the mirror neurons, and as a body worker I'm very fine-tuned in somebody else's kind of impulses, so I can feel that in my body, and many body worker can relate to that. But when you're on your own and you're starting out with edging, you train yourself literally in this feedback loop, in this state of recognition of yourself. And when you do that, the beautiful dynamics that are coming up is that you recognize that nobody else can do that what you can do to yourself. Yeah. So even though somebody would watch you and do to you what you do to yourself, it's not the same, because there's another person involved, and another person involved gives you another neurological set, or different neurological set that your nervous system needs to adapt to. So there is the social engagement is just like involved, and the different responses in the nervous system. So that said, when you have full access to yourself, and you have access to your inflow, and you know where you are with your energies, and you have confidence, and you're competent with your own experience, then you need to team up with your partner. And teaming up with your partner is literally that you have your lover with you, and your lover is not your enemy. In the past, most people, when they make love, it's just like, who's coming first? Or I make you come. No, I make you come. No, I make you come. I make you come. No, we come together. So if you team up, you have to be on the same plate with each other. You have to create this value. Yes, I would love to make love. I would love to merge. I would love to go there. And I want to be sure that we are not doing it for the goal or the purpose. When it happens, yes, okay. But let's even not even avoid it, as I said that before. Let's team up with the value of playing on the edge, edging together. And for most men, this is the biggest challenge, because when the woman is coming, just like, can you stay there? Can you actually hold that? And that only works when your partner is in tune and not kicks you over the edge. When your partner is coming, is as well that you need to make sure that, the best thing is when you're on the edge and it's getting really intense and you're having eye contact together. You are in this place of seeing into your partner's soul through the eyes, the window of the soul. And this is something really profound when you enter that space. So you want to have a team partner. You don't want to make war in bed. There's not your enemy. You don't get off on your partner. You don't get your partner off. You don't kick your partner over the edge. You make sure that you stay together on the edge, and you have an internalized experience together. And that changes things, how you relate, how you engage. So this is the teamwork that allows you to go as deep as you want with each other. So that said, teaming up, becoming compliant It's a good word. You just hold each other's back. Hey, I'm with you here. I see you. I hold you. Can you hold me as well? Can I trust you? You can trust me. And I'm not here to make you come. And then when your partner might touches you, you need to be in tune with your own impulses. You need to be capable of speaking on the edge. You know, you can walk and talk, so you can be on the edge and communicate. And instead of shutting down or trying to, you know, conduct and avoid the coming, you just say, hey, can you just please slow down a little bit? I need to rest here, I need to relax. Okay, now we are here together, so that you synchronize neurologically, emotionally, physically, spiritually your experience. So when you're on the edge together, you make love with the divine together, you pray together, you meditate together. You don't have a goal. It's not the no goal. You actually, when you sit and meditate, it's the same. When you edge, you're just there. You just relax. You just expand, and you just enjoy the ride. And there's so many waves you can ride together, as long as you want. You know, instead of having this 5 minutes together that ends in this final coming, no, I came first, no, I make you come because I just want you to feel good as well. So, you know, all this old bullshit of sexual conditioning is just like so useless. So learn to communicate with each other, and the best way of communication and being in the place of being attentive and attuned with each other when it comes to edging is the 3-minute game in edging. So for 3 minutes, and this is really an interesting dynamics when you play. So the 3-minute game, if you don't know, it's probably explained somewhere in my work, or here is a video coming up as well. So for 3 minutes, I do what I want within your limits, and I edge myself on you. And then for 3 minutes, you want to edge yourself on me within my limits. And then I want you to do to me what I want you to do within your limits. Yeah, and then you might want me to do to you what you want me to do within my limits. So, and when you train and practice that with each other, so the 3-minute game and edging, you learn so much about yourself and your partner, and it becomes a dance. And this dance is what you need when you go into that space of unity. You need this connection. You need this possibility to expand together through this practice. All right, that's for now. See you in the next one. Edging is a very individual process and depends on so many different facts, depending on where you are as an individual. So I've been coaching individuals, couples, and professionals in this domain for over 2 decades. And if you would like to have any support, feel totally free to use the link in the video description and book a free discovery call to find out how I can support you best. Looking forward to talking with you. See you there.